Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you my Christmas gift which I got from my family members. So I'm very excited and I was so surprised for the gift. I was not knowing that they are going to give me such a good gift, and I'm very happy for that. So let me show you what they gave me and who gave me what. Let's begin. Let me move aside this little bit and then I'll show you this book. My I bought this book from my husband's gift card. He was looking on the Amazon and he was thinking what to buy and what not to buy, and he was confused whether he was not getting the right thing. And then he said, you know what, I will just give you a gift card and buy whatever you want to buy. I am not getting anything in my mind that what should I buy. So I bought this book, Grains of Gold by Hannah Carlson. This is my very first book of Hannah Carlson, and I love it. This is such a nice book with hardcover, and there are 11 new drawings and 83 favorites from her different books. So and still I have few more dollars on it, so I can buy whatever I want to buy, maybe some art material or some more books. I will decide later on and I will buy and then share with you. So that is the first gift from my husband, and I'm very happy to have this book in my collection. Now the next two books, these two books, this is a Creative Havens, Wish You Were Here. Uh, this and Joanna Basford, World of Flower. These two books I got the gift from my son, and I was buying this book and he was sitting next to me, and then he said, you know what, let me give you as a gift for Christmas. So and like he was waiting for me to check on the uh, Amazon that what I want to buy, because he was also confused that what should I buy. And then I was looking these two books, and then he said, okay, this is a gift from me to you. So I was literally happy and surprised that he was waiting for me to look for the books, because he was looking on my wish list, but he was not able to decide what to buy. So I got these two books from my son, and I'm very happy and thankful to my son and my husband. Now I'll show you what my daughter got me, and she surprised me a lot. Okay, so she bought me this uh, Coloring Bliss Jennifer Stace channel. You all must be knowing her, that she has come out with this 50 coloring cards, and that is spring cards. The volume is spring card, and it has two volumes, like volume A and volume B, and they are like coloring cards. So they are on mixed media paper, and it has all different kind of tiny or small images, and you can just color in 10-15 minutes. So that's what she had said in her video, and I was watching that video, and I was talking with my daughter that she had come up with this thing, and then I forgot about that she this kind of product I want to buy, and what I'll be doing with that, all that thing I was talking with her. And then I thought, not maybe this year, maybe next year I will buy. And then she bought me this gift as my Christmas gift, and I have some plan to use this in a different way. Whatever I'll do, I will show you on my channel. So, and this comes with this stand, and which you can keep it on your coloring desk, like this. So with each set you get one 50 card of set, and there is a uh, this stand for it to keep it on your desk. So right now my desk is small, so I'm just putting one card on my desk, and then I will start using it, and then I will share with you how I'm going to use this card. So this is a very big surprise for me. I'm so happy that she bought me this. I was just thinking of buying this, and I can do something different from these cards. So this is the first gift she gave me. Then second gift, she bought me this Derwent Academy watercolor pencil crayons. This is big surprise for me because I was not ready for any new art material right now. In my previous video, I was talking that first I want to be comfortable with the pencil crayons, and then I will do. But then she said, and then she was listening to that video of mine. Then she thought, let me buy her a watercolor crayons, so I can try and use it in my coloring books. So I'm very much surprised with this also, and I'm little bit scared to use this, but first I will try on a small paper or something else, and then I will use it on my coloring book. Yeah, so this is the second gift she gave me, and the third gift is this book she bought me, Mythographic uh, Wild Winter by Joseph Cattenbank. So this is the book she gave me, and there is one more book coming from her, and that is uh, Winter Wonder by R.J. Hampson. So that is that is coming on 20th of January. So that is also one Christmas gift from her. So yeah, so all this Christmas gift I got from my family members, and I'm really happy, and I will be using this in my 2020 in year 2026. I'll be using everything, and I will share with you on my channel. Yeah, so that was that these are the things I wanted to share with you. So if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. uh, Tell me in the comment how did you like all the gift which I received from my family member, and please share my video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.